Starting our journey, we're defining a new directive in Vue called Click Outside. This directive will help us handle one of the most common UI patterns, detecting and responding to clicks that happen outside of an element. The bind hook is where we'll set up our directive. It's triggered once the directive is attached to an element. The parameters L, binding, and VNode represent the element, the directive's binding data, and the virtual node, respectively. Here we're adding a new method called ClickOutsideEvent to our element. This method will serve as the event handler for our click event. Inside this method, we check if the click event's target is neither the element itself nor a child of the element. This logic is crucial for determining whether the click occurred outside the element. If the condition is met, we invoke the method specified in the directives expression, passing the click event as an argument. This allows for custom handling of the outside click as defined in the consuming component. With the conditional check closed off, we've now completed the event handler which will only respond to clicks outside of our bound element. Next, we register the click outside event as an event listener on the document body. This means that any time the user clicks anywhere on the page, our directive will be notified. The bind hook is complete, and now, our element is fully set to intercept clicks that happen outside of it. Now let's ensure we perform proper cleanup. The unbind hook is triggered when the directive is removed from the element. This is the perfect place to remove the event listener we added earlier. We do so by calling remove event listener on the document body, passing our custom event handler. This prevents potential memory leaks and ensures that our directive doesn't continue to listen for events even after the element is gone. With that, our directive is complete. It's now ready to be used in Vue applications to close modals or drop-down menus when a user clicks outside of them, thereby enhancing the UX.